with the normal activities with Santa Claus and Happy New Year, and we went skiing and some other things. I started to think of what to do with my boat. And the conclusion is that I want to sail to the Canary Islands, so I'm not going to continue sailing to Greece or something like that. So the plan is Canary Islands for now. I want the adventure when I sail. I'm not so much to just stay in the same harbor for a long time. Or the Greek islands are very similar. So you come to a place, there is this little nice village, there is a number of churches, and basically you repeat the visit every time. And I also want to sail in the winter and be home in the summer. And the winter in the Mediterranean is a little bit too cold, and it's not so nice. So I think the Canary will be better. Anyway, back in the boat. It's really nice. The only thing is I have a long to-do list before I leave. Now it seems to work. Great. A vacuum cleaner would be good to have, but I don't have one, unfortunately. So today it's a service of the engine, and it's a little bit more than normal. I need to check valve clearance and some other thing. And with the engine you get the operator's manual. This is good, of course, but you say how you change oil and so on, simple things. This one is good to have. Verkstadshandbok, or I don't know in English, tool shop manual or something like that. Here we get everything in the engine, how you disassemble it and how you put it together, and everything. So this is, I think it's a good one if you travel for long distance and in remote areas. It can be good to have the real manual. Yeah. So now it's just to adjust the valve clearance here. You have to when you buy marine equipment like this internet antenna, you would expect that it should be not really consumer quality. It should be something that should be made for use on sea, but it's not. Here we have the card inside. It's a normal consumer product which you can use in your house. Nothing special about this,
and inside here it was a lot of moisture, because it's not really sealed here, so you get condense, and everything is wet. I guess so, because it worked less and less good, and well, it's never been really stable, so you couldn't for example have a webcam connected to it and then have that working from home to watch the boat, because it go on and off all the time, and you have to restart it then, and so it's nothing really reliable thing. Here I have a normal cell phone. It's 10-15 years old. I accidentally dropped it in the bottom of a industrial washing machine with hot water, with wash liquid with really strong detergent in it, and it was on bottom there for about 10-15 minutes. I took it up and dried it over the night. The next day the phone was working, and it's still working. And so here everything is, all electronics are in, in plastics, everything. So there's no components open, exposed to the atmosphere. And look at this. This is supposed to be on a boat. And it's expensive. It cost 5 times than this phone cost. It's really unbelievable how you can they can sell these things for, with that price, and say it's for marine use. I had it in oven now and dried it. We will see if it works. I'm not positive about that, but I'll make a try anyway, and we will see. So I got it working. I don't know how stable it is, but it seems okay. So hello again. It's 5th April. I just left Roccella here in Italy, and I'm going south, or I will be west in the Mediterranean now after this. Now it's so nice to be back on sea. I had about 10 days now in Roccella where I do different work on the boat. Small things that problems I had, and things that was broken, and nothing serious, but when it adds up, everything takes a little bit time also. It's super nice weather, except I would like some more wind so I could sail instead. I sailed from midnight until 8:30 in the morning. I had a really nice sail on the beam, and 10 to 14 knots on the beam. It was really, really nice, and no sea, so it was just flat water, and really peaceful and nice. The closer you come to an island, the more wind. Now I'm approaching Sicily here, and the wind changed from around 10-12 knots to 18-20. It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
on my way to Malta. I have about 5 hours left, and it's gale warning, and the gale is coming in now. I think I will be in harbor before the worst comes, but it can be continuous wind up to 30 knots and gusts up to 40-45, so it's quite serious. But I took down my mainsail and have only the jib now. It's about 20, a little bit over 20 knots now, and it goes really smooth. Marinas in Malta is very expensive, but they also have buoys here in the west basin. If the owner need it, they will tell you to move, else you can stay there for free. And there is a number of boats here which use this system, inclusive me. Also, you always use them in a pair, so one in the bow and one in the stern. Good morning. Today I baked a cake and some bread when the oven was hot. So. In the next episode, I will go to another part of Malta, Gozo Island, a really nice place.